Ash conducted a study measuring levels of conformity. He used 123 American undergraduate males, and the study basically involved him showing 2 white cards, one of which showed one line which was used for comparison, and the other card showed 3 lines. All 3 lines were different length, but one of the lines was the same length as the comparison line. And there were varying group sizes, but basically what they had to do was say which line, 1, 2 or 3, was the same length as the comparison line. In each group there was 1 naive participant, and Ash basically wanted to see whether he would conform to the group's answers, which were, the majority of the time, were wrong. So then the findings were that the naive participant gave the wrong answer 36.8% of the time, 25% did not conform, and 75% conformed at least once. He did a couple variations, like group size, so conformity rose, conformity increased when the group size increased, but that was only up to when three Confederates. After that it didn't really change. If the group was unanimous, conformity also increased, and when the task was made more difficult, so the line lengths were less clear, so if it was more ambiguous, conformity increased again. There are a few evaluations, so like a child of its time. So this is basically because of McCarthyism. Many people, like in America back then, individuality was sort of discouraged. So most people would have just conformed because that's what society sort of told them to do. And there was research support for the child of its time evaluation. So with engineering students, it showed that only 1 out of 396 conformed. However, this could just be coincidence, but it's likely to be social norms. It was a laboratory experiment, so therefore it's very artificial and it's not generalisable at all. Another weakness is demand characteristics, so like the participant, the subject, may have caught on to what the task actually was and just sort of gone along with it because it's what they thought Ash wanted to see. And it broke the deceit ethical guideline. Obviously, in order for the study to be valid and reliable, they had to be deceived, so that they didn't really understand what was going on. However, if the demand characteristics point is true, then they did know what was going on anyway.